Those who know 48-year-old Amy Coney Barrett says her family is her #1 priority. She made sure they were front and center at her 2017 confirmation hearing for the 7th Circuit.
We have our oldest 3 daughters with us today.
She proudly showcased all 7 of her children, including Vivian and John, who she and her husband Jesse adopted from Haiti.
Vivian is our miracle. Vivian joined our family. She was born in Haiti, and she came home when she was 14 months old. She weighed 11 pounds, and she was so weak we were told that she might never walk normally or speak. Today, Vivian is a track star, and I assure you she has no trouble talking.
The youngest child, Benjamin, has Down syndrome.
Benjamin has special needs, and that presents unique challenges for all of us. But I think all you need to know about Benjamin's place in the family is summed up by the fact that the other children unreservedly identify him as their favorite sibling.
Barrett's large family is just 2 children shy of matching the late Justice Antonin Scalia's. Barrett clerked for the staunchly conservative justice right out of law school and has marveled at his intensity.
It was intimidating working for him. You know, when he called you in his office, you had to be prepared to just go to the mat and talk about whatever it was, and he was always 5 steps ahead of you.
One of my friends put it this way. He said, Judge Barrett is the kind of person and the kind of judge that you would want to be the judge in a case if you didn't know which side you were going to be on.
Carter Sneed is part of Barrett's close-knit group of friends in South Bend, Indiana.
She and her family host extraordinary parties for Mardi Gras. She's from New Orleans, so she cooks Creole cuisine and makes jambalaya and red beans and rice and crawfish etouffee.
One issue that has come up before for Judge Barrett, how she balances her faith and the law.
If you're asking whether I take my faith seriously, and I'm a faithful Catholic, I am, although I would stress that my personal church affiliation or my religious belief would not bear on the discharge of my duties as a judge.
Senator Dianne Feinstein drew criticism from conservatives with her sharp questions about Barrett's religion in 2017.
You have a long history of believing that your religious beliefs should prevail. The dogma lives loudly within you.
It's never appropriate for a judge to impose that judge's personal convictions, whether they derive from faith or anywhere else, on the law.